Hi, this is Bhavika from New Delhi, India.
Hello, this is Soumya from Hyderabad.
Hi, my name is Shiraz. I'm from Algeria.
Hello, my name is Amit Singh Chauhan. I am from Bhilai.
Hi, my name is Lala. I am from Jakarta, Indonesia.
Hi, this is Atul from Indore.
Hi, my name is Shweta Rashmi and I am from New Delhi.
Hi, I am Amir Ali from Indore.
Hey, it's Fola from Algiers, Algeria.
Hi, my name is Kushi Oja and I am from Kota, Rajasthan.
Hey, this is Muskan from Los Angeles.
I started following Ranveer during Lutera promotions.
Well, I started following Ranveer since 2011, that is when Ladies vs. Vicky Bell happened.
I started following Ranveer Singh just after Ramlila got released in 2013.
I am following Ranveer since the release of Ladies vs. Icky Bell.
I started following Ranveer on the beginning of 2020 when the pandemic started to happen. It was when I watched Bajirao Mastani with my mom, and then he caught my attention. I googled him, and the rest is history.
I started following Ranveer from the movie called Band Baza Barat.
I have been following Ranveer ever since 2014 when he first came to New Delhi to promote one of his films, Kill Dil. And I met him for the event, and ever since then, there's been no looking back. I absolutely love him since then.
I saw Ben Baja Barat first day, second show, and I started liking the guy. But I started following Ranveer since Lutera.
I have first set eyes on Ranveer on August 2014 और जब विक्रम मेरी जिंदगी एंट्री आए दिल में definitely बजी खंती आ रही.
I started following Ranveer when I saw him in Every dancing like mad, and the energy this guy carried brought a smile on my face.
So I started following you since Ramlila, 14 November 2013. I watched the film and I became your fan. And Ram is actually my most favorite character of yours.
The way he used to interact with people, the way his motto is just to spread love, positivity, and happiness among each other in the world, and that is something very pure to find in people right now.
His confidence, his energy, and the way he carries himself.
That he's protective, respectful, and a very courteous human being existing. And also the fact that he's a real sport. I mean, to publicly let people laugh at you or make fun of you is not everyone's piece of cake. But him, yet after being a superstar that he is, lets the world laugh at him and he laughs along with them. I mean, that is what inspires me to be the best version of myself no matter what.
Just live your dream and do whatever you want, and just grateful to everyone. And these are the qualities which I love most from her.
I love how much he loves Sting. He looks like a person who is so full of love, and that quality is just so great.
So the energy that you carry with yourself, the expression that you have shown towards anybody is really unmatchable.
Ranveer has always been someone who's really inspired me, but I think the most inspiring thing that I absolutely love about him is the fact that his journey is just amazing. It takes a lot of courage and patience to be where he is today, and I think that is something which truly inspires me about him a lot.
And he brings positivity and energy wherever he goes. And the way he behaves with his fans made me his fan.
He's got a myriad of qualities that make him the beautiful mosaic that we all know and love. But if I had to name but a few, I would choose his intelligence, the respect he has for everyone, the abundant love and positivity he has, and last but not least, his determination.
The way he is with his family is so beautiful to see. The way he treats Deepika, the way he is so adorable with his fans, it's so endearing to see. And also the way he's grateful about each and everything he does, whether it's his craft or the things he's got. Also, the way he's living his dream.
You are achieving so much in your life, but you are still so kind-hearted, so grounded, and you are so determined towards your work, and that is what inspires me.
Major thing that impacted me the most was that he helped me in becoming an extrovert. I was a very introvert kind of a person. He made me believe via his interviews, via meeting him personally, via his movies, that how it's important to spread love and joy among people, and you have to interact with people. You have to be that extrovert, because until and unless you are an extrovert, you won't be able to connect with the world, and that is the one thing I loved and has inspired me the most.
Yes, there has been many situations most of the times that he helped me unknowingly. When I was at my worst, when I was in myself. He has always been a stress buster, and he still is.
Ranveer has indirectly helped me when I injured my arm. He gave me power and strength because we have the same arm injury in the same time.
Whenever I feel down or broke, जब भी मुझे लगता है कि यार शायद अब मुझे कोई रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा है, क्या करूं, तब मैं बाबा के इंटरव्यूज, उनकी स्टोरीज, उनके वीडियोस देखता हूं, बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलती है मुझे.
Of course, loving him through the pandemic times helped me a lot. He's like the light that shines through the dark days of the pandemic. Oh my god.
I was an expressionless person. मैं पहले बहुत कम बात करता था. मैं बहुत डल इंसान था पहले. लेकिन जब भी मैं अब लो फील करता हूँ, मैं आपकी वीडियोस देखता हूँ, फिर तो क्या ही एनर्जी आती है. मतलब माशाल्लाह.
And speaking of a time when Ranveer rescued me, he literally did, because बेफिक्रे के टाइम पे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी दिल्ली में और हम वहाँ गए थे. मैं अपनी बॉस के साथ गई थी वहाँ पे, उस वक्त मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रही थी, और he was there of course and he was just being his amazing self. I requested my boss कि please make me meet Ranveer, and somehow she managed it. जब वो बाहर निकले वहाँ से तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्राउड था, और वहाँ पे सारे बाउंसर्स ने एक पूरा एरिया कवर कर लिया था फॉर रणवीर टू पास, फॉर वानी टू पास. एंड जब हम बाहर आए, he told Ranveer that she wants to meet you, and he pulled me in the crowd, from the crowd, and he literally hugged me so tightly, and the bouncers were there and they were like, hey, get out, and Ranveer was like, don't. And I was just like, I just fell in love with him all over again.
There was a certain period when I did not like to talk with people. मैं काफ़ी introvert हो गया था. And when I started following Ranveer and I saw his interviews and his movies and his lifestyle, it bring up this thought to me कि कहने वाले तो कुछ ना कुछ कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, और आपका काम है वो करना जो आपके मन को अच्छा लगे. This is what Ranveer taught me indirectly.
His determination, this latter, that inspired me so much that I finally decided to pursue my lifelong dream of becoming a writer, which I'm working on currently.
Yes, Ranveer has helped me in a situation. Of course, he does not know it. But there are times when I'm super, super low. But watching him on screen or even thinking about him gets me this wide smile on my face. And I'm like, I forget every tension I literally have on my head. So yeah.
He's helped me throughout several difficult moments in my life. I lost a parent a few years ago, and his hard work and dedication just gave me the strength to ride through life. And whenever I do meet him, he showers with me so much love and positivity that just keeps me going through the tough times.
Hi Ranveer, I am Nyasa. मैं इंदौर में रहती हूँ. अपन दोनों का बर्थडे सेम डे को ही आता है, और जब मैं केक कट करती हूँ तो आपके नेम से केक कट करती हूँ, और जब मैं बड़ी होके दीपिका बनूंगी तो आपसे शादी करूंगी. I love you.
Happy 11 years in Bollywood. You know we all love you.
Happy 11 year in Bollywood, Ranveer. You know we love you.
I can't wait to see you on screen, Ranveer. I can't wait to see you as my Rocky. But more than that, Ranveer, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई.
Happy 11 years in Bollywood, and you know we love you.
You know we all love you. Best of luck.